Abdullah bin Hunayn says, a discord surfaced between Hazrat Miswar bin Makhrama and Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu at Abwa. Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu said a muhrim can wash his head, while Hazrat Miswar radiyallahu anhu said a muhrim cannot wash his head. Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu dispatched me to Hazrat Abu Ayyub Ansari radiyallahu anhu so that I should ask him the precept of this problem. I went and found him taking a bath between two pieces of wood, screaming himself with a sheet. I saluted him. He asked, "Who is there?" I said, "I am Abdullah bin Hunayn. Hazrat Abdullah bin Abbas radiyallahu anhu has sent me to you to ask you how Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam would wash his head while wearing ihram." Hearing my question, Hazrat Abu Ayyub radiyallahu anhu lowered the cloth down with his hand until his head became visible. He then asked a person to pour water. So he ran water on his head. Hazrat Abu Ayyub placed his both hands on his head and then moved it. He then passed his hands on the head, taking them back from the front and then front from the back, and then said, "I have seen Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam doing the same." Sahih Muslim Hadees number 2881.